Welcome one more time to English in Pixels, a podcast made for the future English speakers. Today we will continue our journey through the alphabet's phonics with the letters P, Q, and R. First, we will start with the letter P. The sound of the letter P is P, 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 and we will find it in words such as panda or pear. Next, we find the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q is Q. It's very simple, and we will find it in words such as queen or Q. Finally, we find the letter R. The sound of the letter R in American English is and we will find it in words such as car or share. Now let's practice with some words. We will start with words that contain the sound of the letter P. Please repeat after me. Pile, pen, people. Perfect. Now let's practice with some words that contain the sound of the letter Q. Please repeat after me. Queen, quiz, question, Q. Perfect. Now, let's continue with words that contain the sound of the letter R. Remember, is the sound of the letter R in American English. Please repeat after me. Rose, rice, rabbit, river, reason. Perfect. Next, we will practice with a sentence. Just like we have done until this point, first I will read the sentence at a conversational speed. Then we will break the sentence into parts. In the end, we will do a backchain drill. We will assemble the sentence from the last word to the first word. Okay? So, today's sentence is: a rabbit and a panda run. A rabbit and a panda run. A rabbit and a panda run. Very good. Please repeat after me. A rabbit and a panda run. Excellent. Now, from the last word to the first word, please repeat after me. Run. Panda run. A panda run. And a panda run. Rabbit and a panda run. A rabbit and a panda run. A rabbit and a panda run. Very good. Remember that you can listen to this episode as many times as you deem necessary. Okay? So this was it for today. If you liked what you heard, please like, share, and subscribe. If you didn't like what you heard, I thank you for listening this long. I hope to see you in the next episode.